Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing your pasta base and coloring method. Semolina with whole eggs yields richer color, while extra yolks increase yellow saturation. Mix measured semolina and salt, then add eggs or yolks and your chosen pigment. Turmeric disperses quickly. Saffron needs steeping. Once combined, start folding with a fork and add reserved water a little at a time to reach a cohesive, non-sticky dough. Make sure to knead briefly now to integrate color evenly before resting. You need to develop the dough structure so color and texture hold. Knead 8 to 10 minutes to produce elasticity, which traps pigment uniformly. Once done, wrap and rest for 30 minutes so the gluten relaxes. This prevents tearing when you roll. After resting, divide and roll thin to 1 to 2 millimeters, making sure to check color consistency. If streaks appear, fold and re-roll briefly. Then cut to shape. Thinner sheets cook faster and show color more vibrantly, so adjust thickness intentionally. You cook fresh colored pasta in vigorously boiling salted water. Timing is short, 1 to 3 minutes, so watch for al dente texture. Once drained, toss immediately with a little olive oil or butter to bring out gloss and deepen the yellow hue, and serve warm to preserve vibrancy. If the pasta looks paler than expected, make a finishing emulsion with an extra egg yolk or a pinch of turmeric in sauce. This restores color and binds to the surface. If stuck, cook a small test piece first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.